Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix and enable the find Ubisoft Game Launcher. And it says, please reinstall Assassin's Creed 2. Alright, so first up, go to find your search bar and type down add or remove programs. Okay, this one. So just click on it. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go to find Ubisoft, okay, or Ubisoft Connect. So if you can't find it, just go to type it down. Right here, click on the three dots, hit on uninstall, uninstall. Okay, hit on yes right here as there'll be a pop-up. Click on next, 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 follow simple prompts, and once that's uninstalled, okay, go and find your file explorer. Click on it and go to local disk C. Okay, under local disk C, what you're going to do is just double click on program files x86. Go to find the folder Ubisoft. Okay, this one, right click on it and just hit on delete. And once that's deleted, okay, go ahead and restart your computer. Restart. And once it boots out, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. This one. Now go ahead and find Ubisoft Connect. Okay. Hit on enter. Now go ahead and click on the first search result. Wait for it to fully load. And once that's done, go ahead and download the Ubisoft Launcher or Ubisoft Connect right here. Okay. Just click on it and save it wherever you want. Save, wait for the process to finish, and once that's downloaded, just go ahead and click on the installer right here. Okay, open it up, follow simple prompts, log in, and once that's done, you should be good to go. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.